Hello and welcome to another exciting episode of English with Altaf. I'm Ikra and I'm here with Altaf in the studio. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can learn English with ChatGPT. Yes, it's true. You can now practice and improve your English using this smart tool.
Thank you, Ikra. That's right. Today, we'll explain what ChatGPT is, how it can help you with your English grammar, vocabulary, speaking, and writing skills, and how you can use it every day to become confident in English. This video will be very helpful for beginners and even those who already know some English but want to improve more.
So let's get started. Altaf, first of all, can you tell us what ChatGPT actually is?
Sure. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence tool created by OpenAI. You can ask it questions, have conversations, and learn many things through it. It can act like your personal English teacher, available 24 hours a day. The best part is, you can use it to practice English whenever you want, without feeling shy or nervous.
That sounds great. Many people feel shy when speaking English with others, so talking to ChatGPT can help build confidence.
Exactly. For example, if someone is not confident in their grammar or pronunciation, they can first practice with ChatGPT. It gives you responses immediately, and if you make a mistake, you can ask it to correct you politely. It never laughs, it never judges.
Can you give a simple example of how a learner can use ChatGPT?
Yes, of course. Let's say a student wants to learn how to introduce themselves in English. They can type, ChatGPT, can you help me introduce myself in English? And ChatGPT will reply with examples like, Hi, my name is Ali. I'm from Pakistan. I'm a student and I love learning English. Then the student can ask for more examples or even ask for corrections. They can say, ChatGPT, this is my sentence. Is it correct? And paste their sentence.
That's really helpful. It means students can improve their writing as well. But what about speaking?
That's a good question. While ChatGPT doesn't speak out loud unless you use it with a voice tool, you can still use it for speaking practice. For example, you can do role play with ChatGPT. You can say, let's pretend I'm in a restaurant. You be the waiter and I'll be the customer. Then ChatGPT will start a conversation like, Waiter, hello, sir. Welcome to our restaurant. What would you like to order? And you can type your reply. This kind of practice is excellent for improving speaking skills and learning new vocabulary.
I see. So, learners can choose any topic or situation, like visiting the doctor, going shopping, or asking for directions. And ChatGPT will help them practice that situation.
Yes, exactly. You can even ask it to explain difficult grammar topics. For example, if you say, explain present perfect tense in easy English, it will give you a simple explanation with examples.
That's like having a free English teacher with you all the time.
You got it. And not just that, ChatGPT can help you write stories, emails, job applications, essays, and even check your mistakes. If you're not sure whether your sentence is correct or not, just type, please check my sentence, and ChatGPT will help you.
I think many students struggle with vocabulary too. Can ChatGPT help in that area?
Yes, and in a very interesting way. You can say, give me 10 new English words with meanings and example sentences, and it will provide a list. You can even ask for synonyms, antonyms, or use of a particular word in different sentences.
That sounds really exciting. So students can learn new words daily without buying a book or going to any class.
Exactly. And here's another great tip. You can talk to ChatGPT in your own language too, like Urdu, and ask for English translations. For example, if you write, "Mujhe अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखनी है," ChatGPT will reply with, "I want to learn to speak English." This way, students who don't understand English well can also learn step by step.
This is very helpful, especially for people living in small towns or villages where English teachers are not available. Now, they have a chance to improve their English just by using a mobile phone or computer.
Yes, Ikra. It's all about using technology in the right way. ChatGPT is a tool, and just like any other tool, its power depends on how we use it. If students make it a habit to practice daily, even just for 15 to 30 minutes, they will see a big improvement in a few weeks.
And one more thing I want to ask, can learners prepare for interviews or exams with ChatGPT?
Definitely. You can say, "Ask me 10 interview questions for a receptionist job," or "Give me a speaking test like IELTS," and ChatGPT will generate useful questions. Then you can practice your answers and even get feedback. It's like doing a mock interview at home.
Wow, that's amazing. So, ChatGPT is not only for learning grammar or vocabulary, it also helps in real-life situations like interviews, travel, or public speaking.
Yes, Ikra. That's the beauty of it. It's flexible, friendly, and available anytime. You can learn at your own pace, repeat things as many times as you want, and even make mistakes without feeling embarrassed.
I'm sure our viewers must be excited to try ChatGPT after watching this video. Before we end, let's quickly review what we have learned today.
Yes, today we learned how to use ChatGPT to improve English skills. We talked about grammar practice, vocabulary building, writing correction, speaking practice, translation help, and even interview preparation. ChatGPT is like a personal English coach that can guide you every day.
And the best part is, you don't need to travel anywhere. You can sit at home, open ChatGPT on your phone or computer, and start learning. Just type and learn. It's that simple.
So, friends, if you want to speak English fluently and confidently, start using ChatGPT today. And remember, consistency is the key. Practice a little every day, and you will see the difference.
Thank you so much for joining us in today's episode. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English with Altaf. See you in the next video. Take care and keep learning.
Goodbye, everyone. Stay confident, stay curious, and keep learning English with ChatGPT.